Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to disable the notification tone for channels on the Telegram app for PC. If you're tired of constant pings and want a quieter experience while staying connected, this quick guide will help you do just that. Let's begin. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can adjust the settings. Once the app is open, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on it to open the main navigation panel. From there, click on Settings. This is where Telegram lets you manage everything from privacy and chat, appearance to sound preferences. Within the Settings menu, find and select Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how Telegram alerts you for different types of activity, including messages, groups, and channels. Next, scroll down until you find the Channels option. Click on it to access channel-specific settings. Here, you'll see several options that let you customize how Telegram notifies you about new posts or updates from the channels you follow. Now, find the notifications tone option. By default, this feature is usually turned on, which means you'll hear a sound every time a channel sends a notification. To disable it, simply toggle the switch off. Once it's turned off, Telegram will stop playing any sound for channel notifications, giving you a much more peaceful experience. After making this change, you can close the settings window. The update takes effect immediately, no need to restart the app. From now on, you'll still receive channel notifications if they're enabled, but without any sound interruptions. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the notification tone for channels in the new Telegram PC update. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference, especially if you follow many active channels.